Guys, this is how we start in 2021 on our Nasdaq signals group. Look at this. Look at this. We are deep in profits. Deep. I'm holding a few. I'm about to close now. Powerful, guys. Powerful stuff. Signal was sent out. Money was made. Everybody is smiling. J Money. Hi guys, it's been one strange trading day. 4:30 trade was closed in profits. I took a second trade which is in profits now. We're about to close. Markets are very strange today, so guys, you need to be safe and trade less. Also remember, it's NFP week, so just take it easy. Don't be greedy and take what the market gives you. J Money, I'm out. Enjoy. NFP trade taken in some good profits. As you can see, what a good way to end the week. First trading week of 2021. I'm holding for a bit longer. As you can see, price is beginning to spike. Look at that. Beautiful profits on the NFP trade. J Money. Lovely. Catch you guys next week. Stay safe.